Excuse me, English or Spanish?
English.
Whoever moves first is gay.
Oh, it's this guy. Oh.
Baby, you got something in your nose. Sniffing that K, did you feel the hole? Hope you find peace for yourself. New boyfriend ain't gon' fill the void. Do you even really like this track? Take away the drugs, what you feel?